I'll start this video by showing Akiko's final work on the design. She's already added the colors to the print, as you can see, but now she's working on doing the shadow layers. When she was working on the shadows, a lot of Shin Hanga prints were used as a reference. They were especially useful on the shaded areas of the trees. Okay, in this clip you'll see she's adding all the different layers together, which means you're going to see the final woodblock print design here for the first time. I think it came out super well. I'm really happy with it. It's a clean design, really nice color scheme, and it really motivates me to continue working on this project. I have a lot of work to do, and at this point it's really up to me, but I just can't wait to see what our work looks like as a finished woodblock print. So to start work on the color blocks, I'm basically just going through Akiko's files, just carefully scanning and kind of deciding where I'm going to put each color on the blocks. Lots of the blocks can have multiple colors, so I just plan out what'll go where, and this is called doing the color separations. After I've kind of planned everything out, I get out the transfer sheets, a highlighter, and I just start to mark where all those color areas on each sheet should go. So here I start with just 2 of the sheets, and then you'll see me glue them down in the next step. So as I mentioned earlier, now's the time to just paste the sheets down and peel off the back as usual. So I got out the nori glue, cut the registration marks, and you'll see me glue it all down like normal here. getting better at peeling, but I still don't always get it in one go. This was one of those times, so you'll see I have to peel off another layer here. And here is the usual carving process. So I just took some videos while I'm carving this first color block, but I cut it pretty quickly since I've already shown carving in depth in the other videos, so here it is. Okay, so I am going to pause the video real quick to talk about a mistake I made. So this block, you'll see the bottom half of it is pretty much completely cleared by chisels, but this was the original plan for this color block. So I ended up accidentally clearing some of the area inside of that orange area, and it was a complete mistake, so I ended up ruining that block. I did save the top portion for a bokashi on the print, but I did have to recarve this whole area because of that. And you'll see this time I redid it, I made sure to include some extra highlighted portions because I think the reason I messed up was it just wasn't clear enough while I was working. So in the future, I'll make sure to mark it very clearly with the highlighter. Okay, so I just wanted to update on my progress for this whole project. Those two blocks at the top were the key blocks from previous videos, and I just finished 2 of those color blocks there. So I have a lot more color blocks to go, but I'm excited to be working on those, and I hope next video I have them all done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you're enjoying these. If you have any advice for future videos, please let me know in the comments. Thanks again.